How to add upload file button in Wix Studio. So in order to add that, what we can do is we can click onto this plus icon or this add elements option. Now from in there, we can see this input. So click on that. And then from in there, we should be able to see in here this new window from there. We have in here this text input, text block, rich text, as well as a lot more options that we can see right here. So what we can do is we can click on this upload button. Click on that and we have in here this. We have the signature input and we have in here some more options that we can choose from. So from in there, you can see in here some options. We have in here this upload or to this upload photo. You can just choose right here the actual layout. For example, let's choose in here this particularly black one and then just drag it wherever you want to put it into your actual page. For example, I'll just put it here right now. Don't worry because although it's black, you can still edit it if you would want. You can click onto this open inspector icon right here and then into the design option, just click onto this background and for example, change it into color pink. And as you can see, here's what it looks like right now. So that's how you add upload file button in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.